What is going on, everyone? We're talking about Surfshark today because it is the greatest VPN that I can tell you about that has unlimited devices logins. All right, so you can have your whole family on there. So let's dive in to exactly why we love Surfshark and why that link down below is going to get you the most exclusive deal of all VPN sites. Okay, hit that link down below and I'll show you when we get in. Before I get into this, guys, I want to just show you some of the benefits of Surfshark compared to ExpressVPN and Purevpn. Okay, I am going to show you the application working, but just look at this. Devices on Surfshark, one of the biggest selling points is you get unlimited devices. That means everyone in your household can use this. Everyone in your friends group can use this. ExpressVPN, for example, only has 5 and Proton only has 10, which is still quite a lot, but unlimited obviously outshines that. Adware and malware blocker, yes we do. Express does it, Proton does. So Surfshark has that as well as the cookie blocker, 2-factor authentication, 24/7 support, and the price you're getting, again guys, the price that we're getting here is only exclusive with that link down below. Okay, you get 82% off and 2 months for free. Okay, I'll show you more on that as we go in. Beyond VPN connection, what you're actually getting is spending less, like I've just shown you, staying safe on public Wi-Fi. So free public Wi-Fi is a miracle for your mobile data, but it's also a blessing for hackers. It's also better to use a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi hotspots to keep them hackers at bay. Protecting your whole household, so a single subscription like we spoke about can protect everybody that you love, okay, and you can avoid travel restrictions. So your internet experience doesn't have to be changed when you travel. With a VPN, you can stay secure during the journeys, your internet, as you would be back at home. Guys, it's incredible, all right? You get 3,200 plus servers in over 100 countries, so you'll never be lost looking for a VPN server. No information collection, only advanced security features, fast connection speeds, 30-day money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. Again, 24 months plus 2 months for free at only €230 a month. I'm going to dive into that after I've shown you what Surfshark actually looks like. So here it is, guys. This is what it looks like. All right, super easy to get around, very basic and very user friendly. Okay, you got your quick connect button. If you want to just quickly connect to a favorite server, it does it there. What it'll do is it'll always attempt 8 connections. So for example, if you want to connect to Albania, you see where it says 1 out of 8. Okay, that means that if you're going on Netflix or something like that, they try and block your IP addresses. So it'll give 8 attempts. If it can't connect on the 8th attempt, which I've never seen happen, but it does happen, then it will just ask you to connect to a different server. Super easy, just scroll all the way down. You've got all the countries there. You just click on them and it will automatically connect. You've got your static IP, which jumps between 2. Same with the multi-hop, which jumps between 2 actual countries. Static IP goes in the same server, okay, whereas your multi-hop goes between 2 countries. So here I can connect from the Netherlands to the United States, allowing extra security on my VPN location. If you want to go to the preferences, click on settings, VPN settings, and you've got them all here. You've got your kill switch again, which is when your servers are online. You need to have this switched on because if anything happens to one of the servers you're connected to, your information is not saved online as long as you've got the kill switch on. You've got your protocols, which is WireGuard, probably the greatest protocol outside of Nord VPNs. Okay, so every VPN is using this. It's incredible, so have a look at that there. And again, do your own research on the website. Make sure you're comfortable with this VPN and what settings you want to use. But that's what it looks like. It's super easy. All you got to do is click pause, click disconnect, choose how many minutes for, connect to whatever country you want, Mongolia, and it connects super fast. You have an extension up here, looks like this little S, okay, where you can open it up or just hide it away. As easy as that, and that'll stay connected with it. So what you're getting with that link down below is €2.30 a month. You're saving 82%. That is an enormous amount, okay? And you're getting 2 months for free with that subscription. So only hit that link down below. You also have your 30 money back guarantee as well. All right, the code will automatically be applied if you hit that link down below. So let's get there now. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Please remember to hit that link and give us a like, subscribe, and follow. Okay, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.